I guess welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect Sceptre monitor to MacBook. If you find the solution of your problem, then watch the video till the end so you cannot miss any important step. And if you find this video helpful, so please consider subscribing our channel for more this type of content. Mac computers can be used an HDMI cable or adapter to connect to a TV display or other HDMI device. Connect your HDMI device. HDMI port. Connect directly to HDMI with an HDMI cable for 8K connections. Use an ultra-high speed 48 Gbps HDMI cable such as the Belkin Ultra HD high-speed HDMI cable. Thunderbolt 4, Thunderbolt 3 or USB-C port connect to HDMI with an adapter such as the Apple USB-C digital AV multiport adapter. And Thunderbolt 2, Thunderbolt or mini display port connect to HDMI with a mini display port to HDMI adapter or cable such as the Belkin 4K mini display port to HDMI adapter. After your MacBook will be connected to your Sceptre monitor, and hopefully after your problem will be fixed. I hope this video was helpful to you. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more this type of content. Thanks for watching.